is it? Guess what? Yeah, it's a tiger. Excellent. It's a tiger. This is a very beautiful bird. Right, it's a macaw. Perfectly. A macaw. He says, yeah, it's a lion. Perfect. It's a lion. And now, who is it? Yes, it's a toucan. Good job. A toucan. He is very big. Right, an elephant. Amazing, an elephant. Who is it? Guess what? Yes, it's a leopard. It's amazing. A leopard. And now, who is it? Right, a rhinoceros. Excellent. A rhinoceros. And now, who is it? Right, a gorilla. It's amazing. A gorilla. And now, who is it? Right, a cockatoo. Perfectly. A cockatoo. Subscribe to the Bitty Animals channel. Who is it? Guess what? Yeah, a giraffe. Excellent. A giraffe. He says, yeah, it's a lion. Perfect. It's a lion. He is very big. Right, an elephant. Amazing. An elephant. And so, who is this? Yeah, a rhinoceros. Excellent. A rhinoceros. She is striped. Right, a zebra. Perfect. A zebra. He runs very fast. Yeah, it's cheetah. Excellent. It's cheetah. And so, who is this? Yeah, a gorilla. Amazing. A gorilla. And so, who is this? Right, a gazelle. Excellent. A gazelle. He loves water. Yeah, it's a crocodile. Perfect. It's a crocodile. And so, who is this? A hippopotamus. Amazing. A hippopotamus. Who is it? Guess what? Right, a cow. Excellent. A cow. He loves to sing in the morning. Right, a rooster. Amazing. A rooster. And so, who is this? Yeah, a horse. Amazing. A horse. She loves water. Excellent. It's a duck. It's a duck. And so, who is this? Right, a sheep. Excellent. A sheep. And so, who is this? Yeah, a pig. A pig. And so, who is this? Right, a chicken. A chicken. He says. Excellent. A donkey. A donkey. He has horns. Who is it? Yeah, a goat. A goat. Garden animals.
Spider. Spider. Butterfly. Butterfly. Bee. Bee. Ladybug. Ladybug. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Snail. Snail. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Grasshopper. Grasshopper.